Hi there, Granny Sugars, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a challenge for 20 minutes and $20,000. The winner of this challenge gets $10,000 in Bloxburg's cash and 100 Robux. Make sure you vote. Now, let's get started on the Modern Cafe Speed Build Challenge. Let's check out these wonderful cafes. And now remember, the winner gets $10,000 in Bloxburg's cash and 100 Robux. So make sure you vote for your favorite cafe, okay? Let's start with cafe number 1. Alright, very good. Ooh, I love these stairs here, very modern. Okay. Let's check out doors. Oh, this is beautiful. Let's check the outside of the building now. Alright. Remember, these builders only had 20 minutes and $20,000 to work with. So let's check out the outside. I like the texture. Okay, let's go inside and see. I love it. I love the high ceilings. That's very nice. Good job. Very good job. Okay. Very nice modern cafe. Now let's check cafe number 3. Alright. Okay, we're just checking the outside of it first. I love that door there. Okay. Very open. Good job. I love the glass ceiling. Very good job. Okay. Now remember, vote for your favorite modern cafe, and tell your friends to tell their friends to watch and subscribe to My Virtual Granny. Alright there, sugars. I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.